Hello everyone, today I will solve the triplet problem. Given an array of integers, the task is to find all unique triplets in the array that the sum of two elements is equal to the third element. You can use the two-pointer method to solve this problem, but you have to sort the array first. In this video, I will solve this problem without sorting the array, nor will I use the two-pointer method. Alright, let's see how it works. For example, we have the array like this. We can see there are 5 distinct integers, -1, 0, 1, 2, and -4. It means we might have 5 distinct sums from the array. Let's first consider the sum of the two elements is equal to -1. After removing the -1 item from the original array, we got a new array. It's 0, 1, 2, -1, and 4. So we have to find all of the distinct two elements in the new array that sum to -1. It is a two-sum problem. How do you solve a two-sum problem? I have a video and you can find the link in the description box below. To find those two elements, we first subtract each element in the new array from -1. We got a subtraction array. So -1 minus 0 is -1, is -2, -3, 0, -3. The intersection between the new array and the subtraction array is 0 and -1. These are the two elements add up to -1. This is a case of one sum corresponding to one triplet. How about one sum to multiple triplets? Now we are given an array, this, for the sum of 1. The new array after removing one item is -0. We remove one item, so it's here. And its subtraction array is 2, 1, 0, -1, 2, and 5. The common items between these two arrays are -1, 0, 1, 2. So it's 2, 1, 0, -1. Because two elements have to add up to 1, if one element is 2, then the other one is -1. So we got the first triplet, which is 1, 2, -1. Then we remove the items 2 and -1 from the common item set. So the common item set right now only left 1, and 0. Repeat the above process until the set is empty. We get the second triplet. It's 1, 1, 0. Now we can implement this algorithm in the Python code. Here is the code. First, we use a set function on the original array to get the array containing the distinct sum. Second, we use a set intersection function to find the set containing the pairs for each distinct sum. Last, iterate the pair set to get the distinct triplets while eliminating the pairs found. Okay, this is the end of today's episode. See you next episode.